Again, my name is Eldon Wilson from Eugene Swim and Tennis Club, locally in Eugene here. And we've gone through, over the last series or two, we've gone through the ground strokes, the forehand, the backhand ground stroke, and we've also gone through the serve and how to do that. Now what we want to do is get you up here and show you how to get up and have a chance to put the ball away at the net. We call these volleys. A volley is a ball that doesn't bounce like in volleyball. So you want to remember that. You don't take a big swing at it. All you have to do is get your racket out here and step forward again with the knees and then the follow through. So it's very simple on the forehand volley. Let me show you what it looks like. It's just like this. You see where the left hand is again? That's for focus. So you notice I'm not moving my head around or the racket head. Now, here's what people do when they first start. And they try to hit a volley. And it doesn't work. So if you keep your elbow in front and the racket in front, everything goes where you need to. Now remember the palm of the hand? That's what controls where the ball goes on the forehand volley. Very simple. Back foot comes up to finish the stroke. Just like that. So that's pretty much it. We've gone through all the strokes, and you realize right now by looking at it, they're fairly simple. Joe Johnsante has even been able to do this sport and win once in a while. So what you want to do now is to get out there, get a racket, get on the court with family, friends, whoever it is, and start enjoying the sport. It is a sport for a lifetime, and it can build you mentally, physically, and emotionally in all areas of your life, and it is a great sport. So for any more information on what we've just done, or anything else about the sport of tennis, contact your local USTA, USPTA pro.